Kani kadai ke Patisi TV. Bat pidang pet ya ka kubor baman kasngi belawan ra sepi da ka rupa. Bapentingan bat penbha.
Ki Nongsengkam sengjam ke jela Meghalaya hne kasngi ka artarik unai weng arjar khatpra kelayo Jingpynshai ke batik nabha Halor ki Skhim jingerap baper balapan benar da ka Sorkar Pdeng balawan ra lengba ka Tnat Ministry of Micro, Small and Medium Enterprise ya ka balapan long da ka State Bank of India jong ka Shillong branch ha Conference Hall jong ka Yojana Bhavan hanong ba Shillong. Ya ka ni ka jingelang laple do menteri ka Tnat ka koit ka khia ka Sorkar jela uba Alexander L. Heck uba lalong u Kongsan harengkat ka jingedon lang jong u Joint Secretary ka Tnat Doner u Jitendra Kumar Sinha uba Peter S. Dhar uba M.R. Senrem ubalong Commissioner and Secretary ka Tnat Commerce and Secretary ka Sorkar jela but u Branch Manager ka State Bank of India u D. Gupta. Hagani kasngi uba A.L. Heck ula samru ia ki check na ki Skhim mudra but PMMY bala island ba ka State Bank of India Shaki Nongsengkam haga jela.
Today our Honorable Prime Minister Shri Narendra Modi ji put a lot of focuses on SME sector in both the country, which is to promote entrepreneurship and also to increase development economy in our country, and also to resolve the unemployment issues and unemployment problems. The Government of India also has committed after now we are going to be interact with our Honorable Prime Minister, where there is going to be announced few lucrative and also important schemes for the benefit of the entrepreneurship. A is to ease and access to credit. B, to ease of cash flow. C, to access the market. D, to coverage the employees under the social security benefits, and 7 for the sector ministry intervention. So we have a lot of facilities how to grow in business, but depend on the individual, how you want to grow. So I wish all the best to all of you and God bless you.